Hello everyone, I'm Rich Noonan for Best of the Best Television, a program in which we travel all over America in search of our nation's best businesses. And we have found one of them today. Today on Best of the Best, the Done Right Services story. Congratulations to the entire team at Done Right Services in Billerica, Massachusetts, on this national honor from Best of the Best, and more importantly, for delivering gold standard customer service and outstanding workmanship since 1998. At Best of the Best, we never tell a company owner that we are profiling that company. We simply begin our research on any company the same way that most customers would these days. We read every word on the company website, everything we can find online about that company, and if we like what we see, we proceed with a full review. We love the Done Right Services story. Done Right Services does a lot of things really well. They specialize in field stone foundation repair, restoration, and stone foundation waterproofing. But they also do all types of basement waterproofing, basement and garage floor coatings, foundation crack repair, and as the name suggests, whatever this company does, it's done right the first time. In fact, Done Right even offers a lifetime warranty and a 15-year money-back guarantee on concrete foundation crack repairs. We found this video on YouTube, which was viewed almost 30,000 times. It shows a pretty amazing transformation that Done Right performed in an old fieldstone foundation. There are lots of them around this part of the country, and if you watch the video and listen to Jeremy, the owner, you can just tell that he knows his stuff. He will not cut corners. The owner, Jeremy Cousteau, is one of those guys who learned as a kid there's only one way to do a job, and that's the right way. Done Right customers can attest to that. Jeremy is a detailed guy. He's a true stickler for finding the problem in a basement or a garage and solving it. He is very proud of his team, and they are not guys who will come in and patch things up to look good for a while. The Done Right team solves the problem and stands behind their work with a 30-year warranty on stone foundations. You'd never do that unless you were darn sure that what you did the first time around was done right. You gotta love it. At Best of the Best, we care most about what real customers say about any business. The reviews and testimonials about Done Right Services are fantastic. We read over 100 5-star reviews about this company on multiple credible websites. Their Home Advisor screened and approved. This company's a back-to-back Angie's List Super Service Award winner. Done Right Services had an A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau. When we reviewed them in 2017, they had 0 complaints. They maintained that A+ rating for many years. The bottom line is that Jeremy and the Done Right team are progressive, smart foundation and garage floor experts, and whatever they do, it's guided by 2 things according to our research: honesty and integrity. Congratulations to Jeremy and the entire team at Done Right Services with a big footprint in New England on this national honor from Best of the Best, and more importantly, for doing things only one way every single day for so many years. The right way. Congratulations, guys. You earned it.